FOL, man. You know how we do this shit, man. Fortune over fame, bitches. We do this shit all day long, man. All day, nigga. All my nigga West Side I see. LA I see. Root Vision. You know how we do this shit, man. RVTV all day long, man. Finna get ready to hit this motherfucking dirty bird. Turn that bitch all the way up. About 3-4 notches. I don't even give a fuck how many notches. We finna do this shit, man. FOF all day, man. You fucking with the greatest, my nigga. We do this shit, man. Money Key, Mula Meech in this bit, man. Trap boy AD, and we stay running through a check, yeah. And we stay running through a check, yeah. Okay, I'm smoking on this Cali shit, cruising with my Cali bitch. Face card good, so I told Jizzle front and seat. Plays out the ass, so my team got me running shit. And plus I got a killer shot, one little blow I never miss. Working magic in the booth, you can call me Harry Potter.
What up, man? It's your boy Young Easy, man. We out here to open mic night, man. Man, y'all are
on the game, just call me the money kid, cause I get a lot of cash. Riding in the two-seater, know my nigga is not a jag. A prototype, old school, and I got the real man. Still rocking my old ice, new ice looking way better. Yeah, you get her pussy wet, but I get it way wetter. Choking out the rap game.
Oh shit, gang!
I'm losing my mind, drop the top, like a bank belt. 40 leave a hole in you the size of a baseball. This bitch is a freak because she licking on my baseball. Lyrics going AWOL in my face, eyeball. Bitches just like Pokemon, and I gotta catch them all. Benjamins and Hobson. I'm on a paper chase. I'm on a paper chase. I'm on a paper chase. Stay on a paper chase. Benjamins and Hobson.
I got lots of loot. Got a bad ass bitch, I'ma chop it too. Hate no me, cause it's not with you. But you already know what this Glock gon' do. Come stop my money, I'ma pop it too. You can take this hoe, I'ma take this dough. Got no money, what you make me for? Take no hoe, rap no hoe, my money